Invaders into my locked home not only smeared the bathtub sometimes. I'm not sure about. I think it can be smeared also. This one here, it was smeared with some black something, and here also. This water faucet, it was smeared with something, and not only this water faucet here, up there, the uh, the head of the shower was also smeared with something, kind of dirty mud type of stuff. Here also, I took it off, and all around actually, some nasty, dirty mud type of substance was smeared around this shower head here. You know, it was smeared. Typical, definitely. It smeared. It was smeared with some dirty kind of mud-like substance here. Let the whole world take a look, and the public has a right to know. Sooner or later, the justice will be done. Well, I have no doubt about it. This one smeared also.